How to transfer Sol. From Phantom Wallet to Kraken 2025 updated tutorial. As for step 1, get your Kraken SOL deposit address. Log into your Kraken account, app or website. After that, go to the funding or deposit section. Search for and select Solana SOL. Then select the Solana SOL network. Click Generate Deposit Address if it's your first time. Then copy the SOL deposit address, starts with a long alphanumeric string like 6DC. For step 2, open Phantom Wallet. Launch the Phantom Wallet, browser extension or mobile app. On the main screen, tap Solana SOL. Then tap Send. After that, let's begin the step 3, send SOL to Kraken. Paste the Kraken SOL deposit address you copied. Then enter the amount of SOL you want to send. Tap Next or Continue. Then confirm the transaction details, make sure the network is Solana SPL. Double check the recipient address. Then tap Send. And for the last is step 4, wait for the transfer. The Solana network is fast, so the transfer typically completes within 1 to 5 minutes. You'll see the deposit appear in your Kraken account once processed. You can track the transaction using https://solscan.io with your wallet address. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned something in this tutorial, but that was it then. See you again in the next video.